Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is about the first chapter of science for PST and JEST preparation from the notes which are long and are in vogue. We will be preparing from those notes where a lot of past papers, a lot of all the information from 4 class till the metric class is given. So it is about chapter number 1 PST and JST class 4 science. Chapter 1 complete, class 4 subject science. Chapter number first name is our body. So let's get started. It will be a full session of PST JEST preparation that would be paying attention to. And this is our first chapter. First of all, brain is the control center of our body. When we talk about our body, so brain is the control system. Just like in the computer, CPU is the control system of all the computer. Our brain is the control center of all our body. Whatever actions we perform, like we are moving our hands, there is any reflex action or whatever work is performed by our body, our thinking machine, think tank is our brain. First point. Next, headache is pain of nerves, not brain. As usually thought by the people that headache is the pain of our brain. Headache is the pain of our head. It is not so. Headache is a pain which is felt in our nerves. This is a pain which is felt in our nerve and all the nerves. Therefore, we feel the pain of it. Next one is the stomach stores food. When we eat the food, it goes through our food pipe into the stomach. Stomach is J-shaped. The shape of stomach is usually remembered as J-shaped. Therefore, stomach stores our food and it is in J shape. Many of the times this question also comes in different tastes. Next, stomach passes liquid mixture to small intestine. When we eat the food, it goes through our food pipe to the stomach, and after the stomach, it goes to the small intestine. Small intestine. And there is then another process. Next point is there are 20 primary teeth. Basically, we have 20 primary teeth, and afterwards, the adults have 32 permanent teeth. First, when it is a child, he has 20 primary teeth, then these teeth break, and when a person becomes adult, then an adult person has 32 teeth. Next point is ears of elephants help them to control their temperature. There are many animals who have their temperature control in different parts of body. Like for example, if we look at the dog has the temperature controller in its tongue. And the animals, elephants control their body's temperature through their ears, which are very long. Next point of us today is part of ear that is visible is called outer ear. There are 3 parts of ear. The outer ear, which we can see, the inner ear, the middle ear, which is in the middle, and the inner ear. There are 3 parts of our ear. The first one that we can see that is visible is called the outer ear. Outer ear. Next, African elephants have larger ears than Asian elephants. Asian elephants and African. There are African elephants which are found in the continent of Africa, and there are Asian elephants which are found here in our part Asia. So African elephants have larger ears than those of Asians. The lungs are the breathing centers of our body. The lungs help us to breathe properly, and because of the lungs, these are the lungs which are the breathing centers of our body, because of which we can breathe. The exhaled air enters lungs. The inhaled air enters our lungs, the inhaled one. When we inhale, when we take the breath inside, when we inhale, so that air goes into our lungs. Our lungs are here, which are long, fleshy parts, mostly of maroon color, red maroon color. The inhaled air enters our lungs, and then windpipe where clear air enters is called trachea. Windpipe where clean air enters is called trachea. We have our windpipe along with our food pipe, and that air goes inside and that goes into the trachea. Then lungs are in chest cavity. This hole where our lungs are capsulated is called our chest cavity. Our chest cavity. Trachea is divided into two tubes called bronchial tubes. Our trachea, which is also called mostly our windpipe, is divided into two tubes. They are from here, and then they go into lungs, which are two tubes. First, like this, and then they are divided into two tubes. These tubes are called bronchial tubes. They are just like this one. If we make a little diagram of them, first they come like this, and then they are divided. So this is our trachea, and these are the bronchial tubes. Each bronchial tube is joined with lungs. Here our lungs come. For an instance, the diagram may not be proper as it should be, but these are our lungs. This is our trachea, and these are bronchial tubes. Bronchial tubes are connected to our lungs. Next, asthma is a main disorder of lungs. When we cannot breathe properly, or we cannot breathe properly, respire properly, there is a disease called asthma, in which we feel difficulty to inhale and exhale. There is a disease of lungs or disorder of lungs. Heart is a pumping station of the body. Pumping station, when as we once previously we had discussed that we need the blood throughout our life. All the body parts need blood, so that blood is pumped throughout the body by the help of our heart, and heart is the pumping station of our body. Next point is average human heartbeat is 72 times per minute. Our heart beats for 72 times per 1 minute. When 1 minute passes, approximately 72 times it beats. In the normal condition, if we run, it may be more, and if we are sitting in a relaxed position, it may be less. But normally it is 72 times. There are 206 bones in the human body. In our body, there are 206 bones. Place where two bones meet or join is called a joint. Wherever the two bones are meeting, that is called a joint. For example, it is here, it is called a joint. Here it is a joint. Here it is a joint. From here it is a joint. And from here it is a joint. Wherever our bones meet, that is called a joint. Next, skin is outer layer of body. The skin, which is from outside, that is the outer layer of our body and the first layer of our body. Largest outer part of our body is skin. Which is the largest outer part of our body? That is skin. It is a general knowledge question which not only comes in PSC JEST, but it also has come several times in CSS general knowledge. General knowledge portion means. Thickness of human skin is 2 millimeters. The thickness, which is the thickness of the human body, human skin is 2 millimeters approximately. Skeleton in our body gives our body shape. The shape that we are in, without flesh, when we have only the flesh, we cannot have any body shape. But when we have the skeleton, then we have the body shape. Next one, rib cage protects our lungs. This is the rib cage, which is made up of bones, and that protects our internal body parts like lungs, trachea, bronchi, bronchial tubes, etc., and our heart as well. So that is called rib cage. It is kind of a cage made of the bones. Most headaches happen in nerves, as mentioned here, that the headaches happen in our nerves. It does not happen in our head. Next one is small intestine absorbs all nutrients of food. When the food goes there, then the small intestine absorbs all the nutrients, and all the nutrients are gone into our body. So the food goes from here, it goes into the stomach, and from stomach it goes to the small intestine, and from small intestine these all nutrients are carried by the body. So our first chapter of science ended over here. Thank you so much.